Welcome back to another video of Learn with Murshida. Today in this video we are going to make this simple website with responsive navbar. Here, as you can see on my computer screen, there is a navbar with multiple nav element. After that is a title, some content and a beautiful button. Here I mainly focused on to make a responsive navbar. It looks almost as same as the Bootstrap navbar. When I resize the browser, you can see the navbar is responsive. In a small device, there is a toggle button at the right side. When I click the menu button, the navbar appears in a pop-up. The toggle button is also changed. Now it is close button. So let's make the website. Here I have already made the setup. At first I connect the Font Awesome CDN link. Here I use Font Awesome icon. So first I connect the Font Awesome CDN link. In this web page I use Google Serif Fonts LoRa. Now I connect the Google Fonts CDN link. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel Learn with Murshida. Now I connect the CSS file style.css. Now I am going to create the HTML markup. First I take a header element, header class header. Within the header I take another nav. I take a nav tag. Now I am taking a div element with the class name logo inside the nav tag. After the logo, I take another div element with the class name secondary navigation. Inside the secondary navigation div, here I take two div elements with the class name navigation and navigation icon. After completing the secondary navigation, I take another div element with the class name menu within the nav tag. Now I have completed the header tag. After header tag, I take another div element with the class name main. Here I take a container class within the main tag, main class. Now I am creating some content inside the banner class. So let's open the style.css file and create some default CSS. First, I am making some color variables here. Now I am going to select every element using asterisk and set margin and padding 0, box sizing border box, text decoration none. Here I use RAM, so set HTML font size 62.5%. It will convert 1 RAM equal to 10 pixel. Now select body, background color, verb easy color, font family Laura Sheriff. Now select Navbar, position absolute, width 100%, height 10 RAM, display flex, justify content, space evenly, align items, center, background color, nav, bg, z-index 1. Now select logo, z-index 1, margin left 5 RAM. Now logo A, font size 4 RAM, color var, font color, cursor pointer, text transform, capitalize. Now select secondary navigation, display flex, justify content, space between, align items, center, navigation A, font size 2 RAM, text transform, uppercase, color var, font color, margin 0, 3 RAM, position relative, navigation A after, content black, width 100%, height 0.2 RAM, background color var, font color, position absolute, bottom 0.5 RAM, left 0, transform scale x 0, transform origin left, transition transform 0.5 s. Now select navigation A, hover after, transform scale x1, navigation icon I, font size 1.5 RAM, color var, font color, padding right 0.2, padding right 2 RAM, navigation icon A, background color var, font color, color var, nav bg, padding 0.8 RAM, 4 RAM, border radius 3 RAM, font size 1.5 RAM, margin right 4 RAM. Now select menu, position absolute right 10%, top 2 RAM, width 4 RAM, height 4 RAM, cursor pointer, display none. Now select main, position relative, width 100%, height 100 VH, background image URL images/banner.jpg, background size cover, background position center, background repeat no repeat. Now select container, width 80%, margin auto, overflow hidden. Now banner, position absolute, top 40%, left 10%, width 37%, display flex, text align left text decoration flex direction column. Now select busy heading, color var, font color, font size 4 rem, font weight 700. Now select busy para, font size 1.8 rem, font weight 400, color var, font color, margin top 1 rem, margin bottom 2 rem. Now select banner button, width 20 rem, height 5 rem, color var, font color, font size 1.8 rem, text transform uppercase, letter spacing 0.1 rem, font weight bold, border 0.5 rem, solid var, button color, cursor pointer, border radius 1.5 rem, background image. Here I use linear gradient. Now check the web page, it's okay, but here navigation after bottom minus 0.5 rem, justify content space between instead of space evenly. Here I make the web page responsive. First I take at media max width 1100 pixel. Now decrease the font size of navigation A. Let's check the web page. It looks good. Now I take another breakpoint for a small device at media max width 850 pixel. In small device, the Navbar shows vertically, so I change some CSS property here. Basically, in a small device, the Navbar is disappeared. So here I take opacity 0, visibility hidden. When user clicks the toggle button, then it is appeared. So let's do the functionality of the web page. First I connect the script file. Here I take a class, insert the image tag with the class name btn icon. Now I am going to use here query selector method. First take variables and we need to specify the class name within the parenthesis. Here I need to add a click event listener to execute the functionality. I use class list property with toggle method. Now add the active class before the secondary class. Now check it, it's working. As I want to change the toggle button image, so that here I use if else condition. When user click the menu button, the navbar appears and the menu button turns into the close button. When click the close button, the navbar disappeared and the close button turns into the menu button. Now check it, the image is so big, so fixed the issue. Now it's okay. Finally, we have completed our project. The navbar is responsive in all devices. If you like this video and if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel Learn with Murshida. Thank you for watching the video.